In the vast landscape of human nutrition, certain vitamins tend to bask in the spotlight. Vitamin C is revered for immune support, vitamin D is known for bone health and mood, and vitamin E is praised for its antioxidant capabilities. Yet, tucked away in the shadow of these popular nutrients lies an unsung hero that science is only beginning to fully understand. This unsung nutrient is vitamin K, long known for its role in blood clotting, but now emerging as a powerful influence in the preservation of brain function and memory as we age. Recent research has added compelling evidence to this growing understanding, revealing that insufficient intake of vitamin K may not only hinder cognitive performance but also lead to physical changes in the brain's architecture. These changes appear particularly pronounced in the hippocampus, a region essential to memory, learning, and emotional regulation. As scientists investigate the intricate relationship between diet and cognitive decline, vitamin K is earning new recognition as a nutrient with profound neurological implications. Traditionally, vitamin K has been regarded primarily as the key factor behind blood coagulation. Without it, the body loses its ability to form clots effectively, which can lead to excessive bleeding. However, its impact is far more extensive than previously imagined. Emerging studies suggest that vitamin K may also be critical in brain development, cellular defense against oxidative damage, and the regulation of proteins involved in neural function. A growing body of scientific evidence now points to vitamin K's role in protecting the aging brain from the twin dangers of inflammation and neuronal decline. Animal models, particularly studies involving middle-aged rodents, have shown that a deficiency in this nutrient leads to measurable impairments in memory, learning ability, and spatial recognition. These behavioral signs are mirrored by biological changes in the brain, including reduced neurogenesis and heightened inflammation, both of which are known contributors to age-related cognitive disorders. Within the brain lies the hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure critical to storing memories and processing new information. This area is unique because it retains the ability to generate new neurons throughout adulthood, a process known as neurogenesis. However, this capability diminishes over time and is especially sensitive to nutritional status. In studies examining the effects of vitamin K deprivation, scientists have found that the brains of affected rodents show a significant drop in the number of newly generated neurons. The reduction occurs in a specific area called the dentate gyrus, known to be a cradle for young neurons. Alongside this reduction, an increase in the activity of microglia, the immune cells of the brain, has also been observed. While microglia play an essential role in defending the brain from pathogens, their overactivation triggers chronic inflammation, which has been closely linked to neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. These findings suggest a two-pronged threat from vitamin K deficiency. On one hand, it appears to slow the formation of new brain cells necessary for learning and adaptation. On the other hand, it promotes an inflammatory environment that may accelerate cognitive decline. The combination of these factors could create a potent risk for memory loss, confusion, and reduced quality of life as individuals age. Vitamin K occurs naturally in a variety of foods, especially green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. These vegetables are rich in the plant-based form of the vitamin, known as phylloquinone. Another important group of vitamin K compounds, called menaquinones, are produced by bacteria and found in fermented foods and animal-based products like liver, cheese, and eggs. Among the different types of vitamin K, a form called menaquinone 4 has attracted particular attention. This version is present in the brain in high amounts, hinting at a special purpose not yet fully understood. Research has shown that when dietary levels of vitamin K are low, the brain's concentration of menaquinone 4 drops sharply. This decline correlates with worsened cognitive performance and altered biochemical pathways that support healthy brain function. While it might seem convenient to address this problem with supplements, researchers caution against using pills as a shortcut. Natural food sources of vitamin K not only provide the nutrient in a form the body easily uses but also come packed with other essential compounds, fiber, polyphenol, and other vitamins, that work in synergy to support health. Studies consistently show that diets rich in whole foods, particularly those resembling the Mediterranean model, contribute significantly to longer life expectancy and sharper cognitive abilities. The implications of this new research are clear. Brain health is not determined solely by age, genetics, or intellectual engagement. What we eat each day may set the stage for either preserving or degrading cognitive capacity over time. A diet lacking in vitamin K could quietly undermine the brain's resilience, diminishing its ability to regenerate, adapt, and fight off degenerative changes. The early stages of this deterioration are often subtle. An older adult may find it harder to remember names, navigate familiar routes, or multitask effectively. Over time, these minor issues can develop into more serious symptoms, potentially culminating in mild cognitive impairment or even dementia. Although a multitude of factors influence this progression, nutrition is one of the most modifiable. Researchers are especially interested in understanding how specific vitamins affect the aging brain. While vitamin D and B vitamins have garnered significant attention in the past, vitamin K is now entering the conversation with increasing weight. The protective benefits it seems to offer are not merely theoretical, they are measurable, reproducible, and grounded in both behavioral and biochemical evidence. While rodent studies offer critical insights into biological mechanisms, the ultimate test lies in whether these findings translate to humans. Observational research involving aging populations has begun to explore this question. Several studies have found that individuals who consume diets high in vitamin K-rich foods tend to perform better on memory tests and show slower rates of cognitive decline. These observations, when paired with the experimental data from animal models, build a compelling case for the role of vitamin K in supporting brain health. Collaborative efforts between research institutions are now focusing on linking human observational data with laboratory findings in animals to better understand the causative relationships. This dual approach enhances the reliability of the conclusions and helps refine public health strategies. Vitamin K deficiency is relatively rare in the general population, but subtle insufficiency may still be widespread, especially among those who avoid green vegetables or follow restrictive diets. Additionally, certain medications, particularly blood thinners and antibiotics, can interfere with vitamin K metabolism. In older adults, these issues are more common, raising concern about the long-term impact of chronic low intake. Addressing this risk does not require drastic dietary overhauls. Simple changes, such as including a daily serving of dark leafy greens or adding fermented vegetables like kimchi or sauerkraut to meals, can make a meaningful difference. Cooking methods also matter. Lightly steaming greens helps preserve their nutritional content while enhancing digestibility. Healthcare professionals are increasingly recognizing the need to integrate nutrition into cognitive health assessments. While pharmaceutical treatments for memory loss remain limited in their effectiveness, dietary interventions offer a safe, accessible, and cost-effective means of protecting mental function over the lifespan. The story of vitamin K is still unfolding, but the message is already clear. This underappreciated nutrient holds significant promise in the fight against age-related cognitive decline. As public interest in brain health grows, vitamin K may find its rightful place among the cornerstones of a longevity-focused lifestyle. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to preserving memory and mental clarity, but embracing a diet rich in green vegetables, whole foods, and natural sources of essential vitamins offers a reliable path forward. In the quest for better brain health, nature has already provided a powerful ally, hidden in the humble leaves of kale, the crisp stalks of broccoli, and the tiny buds of Brussels sprouts. This newfound appreciation for vitamin K is part of a broader shift toward understanding how the everyday choices we make, what we eat, how we move, how we sleep, shape not just our bodies, but also our minds. As scientists continue to explore the complex relationships between nutrition and the nervous system, one thing becomes increasingly evident: good food truly is the foundation of a good mind. So there you have it, vitamin K, the quiet powerhouse behind brain protection, memory, and healthy aging. While it's often overlooked, the science is clear: what you eat today can shape how sharp your mind stays tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who cares about their health. And if you want more science-backed tips on brain health, longevity, and smart nutrition, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.